If you remember in my last video, we had a problem with the swimming pool. Well, a gentleman called Steve Poole commented on why not try using the floating basket system for the pool tabs. So, not having heard of this, looked it up on YouTube and came up with a gentleman's channel called Axeman 2525. Now in that he recommends that while it's a good idea, the tabs on the lid of this pool basket, they break off very easily. Well, in Cyprus we've got a problem with plastics that because of the high heat and the UV, they all tend to break in quite a quick time actually. We have sun loungers, garden chairs, anything that's made of plastic, stools, tables, they really don't last long, they break it up. So Axeman actually suggests making your own one. So that's what we're going to do. Now on the Axeman 2525 channel, he says use a pop bottle or fizzy drink bottle, whatever. But he also says that you have to clean off the glue on the side. Right, well what we've got is in Cyprus we have milk bottles and they have, let me get round here, a heat shrink wrap label which peels off just like that. There you go. Now the other thing he does is he gets a Stanley knife and he cuts slots in it. Well, I'm going to go one better than that. I'm going to use a drill. And the drill I'm going to use, if you can see this, but it's got a point to it. So, here we go. So, that's the 5 holes in the bottom. Now we run round the rim. And there we have it, a good selection of holes all the way round and in the bottom. And as I say, the good thing with this is I use one a week. So if it does happen to go brittle and break up, I'll just make up another one. Right, now the slot for the tab. Again, the Stanley knife is going to go all over the place. You've got a nice ridge in here, let's use a hacksaw blade. Right, now we need to tab it. As you can see, it's quite a size. If it doesn't go in, enlarge your hole. Plain and simple. There you go. One tablet dispenser. Right, let's go and try this in the pool. Right, so here we go. Oh, on the other hand, Axeman 2525 also states that the longer the slots, the more chemicals that will be discharged into the pool. I've got to disagree with that. The tabs are actually manufactured to dissolve at a certain rate whilst in water, so it doesn't matter how big the holes are, you're only going to get a certain amount dissolved at a certain time. Now, if you need more chemicals, put 2 tabs in the bottle. That's the only way round it. Oh, that seems to be a success. We'll see how it works out. Thanks for watching.